What is up, Octane and Zip Ties channel? Today is Tuesday. Right now we're waiting for Rosa, Dylan, a whole bunch of other people to come by. Waiting for Ethan as well. Right now we're actually working on the Forester. Putting on some new what, jar side axle?
Yeah, CV axle. This one probably from the camber and just the miles. It's this axle shot. It's making some noise and wiggling around at highway speed. So giving it to my brother actually later this week. So it's my little brother right here.
What up? Wait, so what car are you getting later this week?
Keep it a secret.
Keep it a secret, dog. You feel me? Nah, but yeah, right now we're putting on that axle. Sorry we took so long to upload something. We just been busy, you know, with life, school and stuff. Everybody's either work at school full time, working full time, so trying to make our schedule work around the YouTube channel. But yeah.
All right, so we're out here. We got we got Dre. Dre pulled up. Yo, Rosa, say what's up.
You.
Dylan, Tyler,
a whole lot of gang.
Gonzalo, and we got Kyle. All right, so Steven has never ridden a bike before. This a moped, but he's asking how to ride it. So let's see. Oh. Oof. All right, let me.
What up, baby?
So this right here, honestly, it's been pretty easy so far. What I did was I took off these two bolts up top, and then the hub bolt, so that I can take off the tie rod, and this should be able to drop down. And then I'm going to hopefully just pull out the CV axle and replace it. I think the boys pulled up. I think there's a meet tonight, so we may slide out to the pop-up meet. As long as all goes well. It's been pretty easy so far. So I'm gonna get back to this, and I will update you guys after. All right, guys, we're back. Thank you. Closing it up tonight. I got everything else apart other than let's see, I got the axle out. On that side, connecting to the transmission, there is, let me see if I can get under here. There's a pin right there, if you can see that. I don't have a big enough, I don't have a big enough punch for it, or at least I don't have the right size. So probably tomorrow I'm gonna go by AutoZone and do like the rent a punch thing. I'm gonna get the right size. So once I get that out, it should be easy. Easy putting it back together. That should be it. So I'll update you guys tomorrow and get that done. What's up, guys? It is the next night. We're gonna get the Subaru done. I'll explain in a minute. My dad actually, while I was at work, got the pin out from the axle that goes into the transmission. So I'm gonna be replacing that tonight and popping in a new pin. Actually, I can camber the front more, so I may actually try to do that. Ethan just pulled up. Yo, Eth.
Yo.
So he just pulled up. Yeah, so we'll get to that, and I will show you guys the pin in a minute. All right, guys, we're underneath the car. This right here is the pin that I was having a problem with. Pretty much just gonna pull that out now. The new one, let's see, the new one comes with an extra pin, so I'm gonna be putting in, oh, where'd my light go? I'm gonna be putting in that new pin on the new axle, and hopefully she drives well. Catch back with you guys in a bit. All right, so I just pulled the old axle out. I'm gonna show you guys how bad this one is. Not only is that boot broken, but yeah, she's shot. Other side, I mean, still has play super easy, but yeah, that side's pretty bad. This new one, there's no movement in that side, and then on this side can't really move that one either. So hopefully that's just a problem. And if I haven't showed you guys before, this is the tie rod I just connected, and then up on the spindle for the bottom of the coilover, disconnected those 2 bolts and pretty much kind of pulled it back. Again, the only problem I really had was just getting that pin out, and so I'm gonna put the new one back together. All right, so I just put everything back together. I got the pin on the inside. Can't really see it back there, but I got that in. Basically, I got these 2 bolts back together. I maxed out the camber bolt and pushed it all the way towards the coilover. So we'll see if it'll be running any more camber. If it is, I'll match it on the other side. And then connected the tie rod, and then this bottom bolt right here, had to tighten that up. So basically, just gonna make sure everything's tight again. And then if you've seen this before, it is a not only spacer but conversion from 5 by 100 to 5 by 114.3, so that I can run the MB battles. And yeah, oh yeah, and I gotta get the new, what is this called? Hub bolt? Axle nut. So I got to get that tightened down, and then crimp it, and then also put some wire through those crown bolts. So I'll bring you guys for a ride when we check it out. What's up, Octane and Zip Ties? Quick little update video, since I didn't make a video when we went for a drive in the Forester. So we replaced the driver's side axle, and it's still making a binding, clicking, only on left turns and at high speeds. So I believe that it may be the other axle. If not, we're gonna have to do some more research into other reasons why I may be doing that. But just since I didn't bring you guys along for the ride, quick little update to end out the video. We've got some more videos coming this upcoming week that we've made. I recently picked up a new car. Definitely going to be a big part of the channel now, and we are engine swapping Steven's SER. So stay tuned for that, and keep those updates on. Peace, guys.